Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today my group and I would like to discuss about reading comprehension 2. The title of the text is Productive System. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Wulandari. In this group, there are Hairul, Anissa, Gina, and Desi. The first part is going to be explained by Hairul. Okay, Hairul, time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Hairul Nisa. Now I try to explain about what is the reproductive system. Reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organ within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproductive.
Okay, thank you, Hairul. The next part is going to be explained by Anissa. Time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Anissa. Now I try to explain about how male reproductive system work. The male reproductive system consists of two major parts. The testes, where sperm are produced, and the penis. According to Merck manuals, the penis and urethra belong to both the urinary and reproductive system in males. The testes are carried in the external pouch known as the scrotum, where they normally remains slightly cooler than body temperature to facilitate sperm reproduction.
Okay, thank you, Anissa. The next part is going to be explained by Gina. Time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Gina. Now I try to explain about how female reproductive system work. The external structures of the female reproductive system include the clitoris, labia minora, labia majora, and Bartholin glands. According to the Cleveland Clinic, the major internal organs of the female reproductive system include the vagina and uterus, which acts the receptacle for semen, and the ovaries, which produce the females of the vaginas attached to the uterus through the cervix, while the fallopian tubes connect the uterus to the ovaries in response to hormonal change, one ovum or egg, or more in the case of multiple birth, is released and sent down the fallopian tube during ovulation. If not fertilized, this egg is eliminated during menstruation.
Okay, thank you, Gina. The next part is going to be explained by Desi. Time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Desi. Now I try to explain about the main idea of the first paragraph. The main idea of the first paragraph is the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The system of organs involved with the reproduction of an organism, especially sexual reproduction. It consists mainly of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina in females, and the testes and penis in the males. We can see in the first and last sentence of the paragraph 1.
Okay, thank you, Desi. The next part is going to be explained by Nisa. Time and place is yours.
Thank you, moderator. My name is Hairul Nisa. Now I try to explain about the main idea of the second paragraph is the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. Within the context of producing offspring, the reproductive system has four functions. The produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain the cells, to nurture the developing offspring, and to product hormones we can see in the first and last sentence of the paragraph 2.
Okay, thank you, Nisa. The discussion has been finished. Now, I would like to convey the conclusion of the text. It can be concluded that the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproductive. The reproductive system has four functions: to produce egg and sperm cells, to transfer and sustain the cell, to nurture the developing of offspring, to produce hormones, but the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. Now we will move on to some questions regarding the reproductive system. The first question will be answered by Anissa. Time and place is yours.
Question number 1. What is a reproductive system? Reproductive system or genital answer the first question. The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. We can see the answer in the first sentence of the paragraph 1.
Okay, thank you, Anissa. The next question is going to be answered by Gina. Time and place is yours.
Question number 2. I try to answer the second question. Blood hormones and pheromones are important accessories to the reproductive system. We can see the answer in the second sentence of the paragraph 1.
Okay, thank you, Gina. The next question is going to be answered by Desi. Time and place is yours.
Question 3. What does it refer to in sentence line 5, paragraph 1? The word it refers to the organ sexual reproduction. We can see the answer in the fourth sentence of the paragraph 1.
Okay, thank you, Desi. The next question is going to be answered by Hairul. Time and place is yours.
Question 4. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. We can see the answer in the first sentence of the paragraph 2.
Okay, thank you, Hairul. The next question is going to be answered by Anissa. Time and place is yours.
5. Mention the other four functions of reproductive system. Thank you, moderator. For function of reproductive system is to produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain these cells, to nurture the developing offspring, and to produce hormones. We can see the answer in the fourth sentence of the paragraph 2.
Okay, thank you, Anissa. Now, we will now turn to vocabulary related to the reproductive system. The female reproductive system part will be mentioned by Gina. Time and place is yours.
Okay, now I try to mention female reproductive system part. The female reproductive system part is number 1, vagina, as a way of entry of sperm to the uterus and the way of the way out of menstrual blood and the baby's birth canal. Number 2, clitoris, for sexual stimulation. Number 3, labia minora, for the urinary tract opening of the Bartholin's glands and else skin or vestibule.
Okay, thank you, Gina. The next part will be mentioned by Desi. Time and place is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Now I try to mention female reproductive system part. The female reproductive system part is for labia majora, to protect the internal organ of the vagina while preventing the opening of the vagina in addition to sexual activity. 5. Cervix, to produce mucus. Mucus helps transport sperm from the vagina to the uterus during sexual intercourse. 6. Rectum, to replace and stores waste from the colon until it is time for it to be excreted by the body through the anus.
Okay, thank you, Desi. The male reproductive system part will be mentioned by Hairul. Time and place is yours.
Now I try to mention male reproductive system parts. The male reproductive system part is 1. Testes, to produce sperm and testosterone. Number 2. Urethra, used as a seminal duct when men ejaculate. And number 3. Penis, to remove urine from the body and the process of sexual intercourse that can be done after a boy enters puberty.
Okay, thank you, Hairul. The next part will be mentioned by Anissa. Time and place is yours.
Thank you, moderator. The male reproductive system part is number 4, erectile tissue. This tissue can expand and stiffen due to venous congestion. Number 5, scrotum, support the testes to produce normal sperm. Number 6, epididymis, as a place of transportation, maturation, and storage of spermatozoa.
Okay, thank you, Hairul, Anissa, Gina, and Desi. That's all about system reproductive, male and female. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.